Alright, have this nice Califone 1420C, and my mom ran several preschools. This was left over. It's a briefcase record player. This won't close while the record's on it, but very cool. So I'll play. There you go. I just found an old record laying around. Just want to prove this thing works. Obviously, it needs cleaned up. Or the record's dirty, one or the other. Put a little weight on it. There it goes. Just needs a quarter on the stylus, like a DJ. But, bass treble. Obviously, the pot's a little dirty from sitting, but volume kind of cranks a little bit. It has a really good sound to it too. Alright, so there you go. Just want to prove it works. And then it also has selectable speeds, so very versatile thing here. Very neat. For sale.